Hey guys, I'm in Roanoke, Virginia, and I'm on a burger journey. We're gonna check out the top 3 burgers this town has to offer. I hope you join me. I'm Chris Bauer, and I am an art slinger. I travel around the U.S. selling artwork at comic and anime conventions, and while I'm there, I like to check out cool sites, eat great food, and see all the places my favorite movies and TV shows are made. Welcome to Sets, Streets, and Eats. We're heading into, I'm calling it Farmburger USA, but Jimmy's calling it Farmburguesa.
Farmburguesa.
Farmburguesa. I'm gonna stick with Farmburger USA. But you know what? I think.
But the cows are riding.
Help! All right, we're going in. You know, it might be Farmburguesa. So we're at Farmburguesa. I'm never gonna get that right. It didn't even sound right now. It sounds like I've said the word too much. I got the caprese.
So white.
Yeah, I am. Extremely.
Yeah, what were you calling it before?
No, the Colombiana?
No, Farmburger USA.
Yeah, Farmburger USA. Because when I looked it up, it was on my phone when I was driving, right? And it looked like that I thought the words were all just run together. Because for some reason it registered as Farm Burger, and then I saw that SA. I'm like, oh, USA, okay. I was like, what a weird name.
I looked it up to see what it was. I just looked it up, but they have really good reviews.
Well, this place has great reviews, especially if you can pronounce it correctly.
It's pretty damn good. Put that on camera.
I didn't get the sneeze, but I got the aftermath. What is happening? Okay. What was the green one?
The lemon cilantro sauce.
Oh, okay. Awesome. Awesome.
Thank you.
Jimbo just sneezed, and it was like confetti came out of his mouth.
I look over and I see.
So these are plantain chips. And we've got 2 different dips. One's a cilantro-based dip. We're gonna go that one first. Oh. Oh man. Oh, that's dynamite. Dude.
It's like a.
Dude, that's good. I mean, the dip's better
It's a
than
pesto,
the chip.
right?
Yeah, it's like a pesto. Oh, I would put that on a Mexican
It's
dish.
a little bit spicy.
Mm-hmm. Oh man. And this one, oh, it's like an aioli, garlic aioli. Oh, that's good. Oh wow, that's got a lot of flavor. Salted plantain chips. It really has more of a bread taste.
Yeah, it's very much a bready texture.
Huh. That's interesting. It's a Colombian restaurant called Farmburger USA. Oh my god, dude, these sauces are dynamite. They're way better than the chips. This is just kind of like a healthier option than something else, I'm sure, but these sauces are amazing. Oh. This burger looks really good. It's got fresh mozzarella, aroma tomatoes, fresh basil and olive oil. Ooh, balsamic vinegar.
I got the veggie burger.
That's good. That's what you like to hear. Yeah.
Oh, no, this is good.
So the Texas Tavern has been a Roanoke staple for the last 90 years. Opened in 1930. Same family owns it, by the way. They're also known for their chili. I got a little cup of it. The recipe comes from San Antonio, Texas, hence the name, the Texas Tavern. It was started by a guy that wanted, or he was working for Ringling Brothers, so he used to go around the country booking shows, and he would travel a year in front of the circus, and he wanted to open a restaurant after he was done doing that and settled on Roanoke. This chili's pretty good. As you can see, their prices are very, very cheap. When they opened, burgers were only 5 cents, so they've gone up a little bit, but
Inflation.
I did just pay $2.85 for this burger, so I am appalled. It's called the Cheesy Western. So it's basically just like a cheese omelet on a burger.
Yeah.
That's interesting. Hey guys, I am downtown Roanoke on the City Market Square, and I'm heading to a place called Jack Brown's Beer and Burger Joint. They are closed for indoor dining due to the pandemic restrictions, but I'm going to pick up takeout and eat outside on the market benches, and we're going to see how this burger measures up. This is Jack Brown's. This is the Dr. Gonzo burger. Got fries. It's gonna be cold anyway. It's got sauteed mushrooms, pepper jack cheese, Swiss, bacon. Oh man. Oh, that's good. Oh man. That is really good. I've got this this aioli sauce to dip. That was dynamite. Well, I really enjoyed the burger scene in Roanoke this weekend. I guess say probably out of the three, I would probably have to rank them number 3, probably Texas Tavern. It's been around forever. It's a staple. You should definitely go there. It's got this old burger counter vibe, which is exactly what it is. It's been doing the same thing for 90 years. I love that. The probably number 2 is going to be Jack Brown's. The Dr. Gonzo burger, it was fantastic. It tasted amazing. Sauteed mushrooms and all the toppings were just really, really good. It was a very small burger, which I was kind of hoping it would be a bit bigger, but it was still very tasty. Which of course means my number 1 would definitely be Farmburguesa, or Farmburguesa, depending on how you pronounce it. I know, we've covered that. The sauces, just the originality of the different types of burgers that they had there, really set it apart. It's just got a really great flavor. Of course, everything's from farm to table, so everything's super fresh. The meat is just really, really good. And then their sauces absolutely put it over the top. That garlic aioli was delicious, but man, that pesto base, I don't even know how else to describe it. It's like a spicy pesto. It was absolutely fabulous. And can't recommend that place enough. So, listen, guys, don't forget to subscribe. Just hit that button and keep you up to date with all my adventures. And I really appreciate you taking the time to watch this episode of Set Streets and Eights.